Hi, I'm John with Souffront Construction Engineering, and I'm going to briefly go over what is a 40-year recertification inspection. So a 40-year recertification inspection is a county mandated inspection for buildings who have just turned 40 years old, and then every 10 years after the 40 years. So you have your initial inspection on the 40th birthday of the building, and then every 10 years after. This inspection includes a structural report and an electrical report. And for those properties that are in Miami-Dade County, there's also an illumination inspection / survey involved. For those of you in Broward, you don't have to worry about it. So what is it that we look for in these inspections? So on the structural side, we review items like columns, beams, girders, flooring system, post-tension cabling, anything structural, anchoring systems, anything structurally related, we're out there looking for it, documenting it, and writing our findings. On the electrical side, we're looking for electrical panels, we're looking to see the conditions that the electrical rooms are in, the GFIs, outlets, smoke detectors, life safety equipment, and much more. With respect to illumination, we conduct an exterior walk around the building to make sure that the building has the proper foot candles that are necessary as per county code. And remember, this is only for Miami-Dade County properties only, the illumination portion. All right. We deliver our reports usually within 7 to 10 business days after conducting the initial inspection, and we are with you throughout the entire process. So we're not just out here just handing you a report here, figure it out on your own. No, we'll walk you through, we'll tell you what the next steps are in the event that there is a next step, like repairs required and such. So that's just a quick overview of the inspection process and some of the things to look out for. Feel free to put your information in the form below or above, wherever it's at on the website. And we would be more than happy to send you a quote. Our quote's gonna be very detailed. We also have a video inside the quote that's gonna explain to you what we're including and what type of services you're gonna be receiving from us. So I wanna tell you thank you again for visiting, for watching this video, for visiting our site, however you found us. My name is John with Souffront Construction Engineering. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.